What's up? What's going on here, guys?
About to jump, man.
Hey, man, we're about to jump, man, for my son's 21st birthday. You know, we got my chaperone here.
Yeah.
On.
Good luck to you guys. Yeah, you need it.
Said he's not jumping, but we gonna jump. We gonna get it, baby. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
You only turned 21 once.
Yes, sir.
That's right. Let's do it. Oh, yeah. That's it. It's happening.
Ready to go, baby.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Ready to go, baby.
Let's go.
Yes, sir. We riding. Crazy.
All right, what are we doing, Scott?
Yeah, I was.
Well, how was it, Cliff?
It's fucking crazy.
Pretty boring, huh?
It was really boring.
I
It
could
was
tell
so
you were very
it was so amazing. I was driving the parachute. My man was letting me. Oh my
That's
god.
because I was too
My
lazy
man
to do it
from
myself.
Italy.
Should everybody jump out of a plane?
Yes.
Skydive Las Vegas.
Yes.
That's how we roll. Booyah, booyah.
Let's go, baby.
Let's do a Cliff style.
Bless.
Yeah!
Let's go, man.
Yeah.
How was to see your dad jumping out of or falling off the plane?
It was crazy.
Yeah.
I know he was scared to death because he seen me first. He was like, "Fuck me!"
Yo, it was definitely scary, but it had to be done.
Hell yeah.
I would do it again. Too.
It happened.
Not gonna lie.
Word.
Definitely.
Skydive Las Vegas.
Now that you know. Now that you know.